Solo travel versus friends trip. The brutal truth. Solo trips feel like cheating the system. You wake up when you want, you eat where you want. You spend 2 hours watching pigeons in a plaza. There's a strange kind of power in being completely selfish. You wake up and immediately have to wonder who's up and who's not. You might be starving for breakfast, but you need to wait for the others to get up. When it comes to lunch, you eat at the place Neha saw on Instagram, and you're not allowed to say that it was too expensive and the food sucked. But you do enjoy the meal more, even if it's nothing more than shared misery. But let's not romanticize too hard. Solo travel will hit you with the occasional, "What am I even doing here?" Especially when you're surrounded by couples taking sunset photos and you're just holding your own GoPro like it's a hostage situation. On a friend's trip, you may have 7 sites in your list for the day, but what can you do if your friends are still taking their 500th selfie at the second place and you know they are not even halfway through? But here's the thing, solo trips teach you who you are when no one's watching. Friends trips remind you why you love these idiots in the first place. And both, in their own chaotic ways, show you new versions of the world and of yourself. So, solo or squad? Let me know which one you swear by, or which one almost broke your spirit. Either way, if this felt way too accurate, hit subscribe. Clearly we've both been through it.